Welcome everyone. Today, we'll be talking about ammonium nitrate as fertilizers and how is it used. So, ammonium nitrate is an important substance in the field of agriculture. There is estimated around 20 million tons of ammonium nitrate to be produced worldwide annually. Ammonium nitrate is the most effective, economical, and convenient fertilizers on the market across the globe. Other common uses for ammonium nitrate are in pyrotechnics, herbicides, insecticides, in the manufacturing of nitrous oxides, as nutrition for yeast and antibiotics, as explosives for blasting rocks in mining, and some nitrates and nitrites are used for meat preservations.
So hello guys, my name is DANY HAIKAL, so I'm gonna explain about physical and chemical properties of ammonium nitrates. So we go to chemical properties of ammonium nitrates. For the first one, when ammonium nitrate is react with hydroxides of alkali metals, the nitrates of alkali metals are formed along with ammonia. Next, upon heating, this compound decomposes to form nitrous oxide, which is N2O and water. Not just that, when ammonium nitrate explodes, this compound will produce nitrogen, oxygen, and water as the byproducts. Despite being a component of many explosives, ammonium nitrate is not an explosive by itself. It must be mixed with a primary explosive such as an IZZAT to form an explosive mixture. So next we will go to physical properties of ammonium nitrate. So the first one, ammonium nitrate is a crystalline solid having a white or grey color. Next, it also has a trigonal crystal structure. For your information, ammonium nitrate is quite soluble in water. Its solubility at 20 degrees Celsius is 150 gram per 100 ml. The solubility increased to 1024 gram per 100 ml when the temperature is raised to 100 degrees Celsius. The dissolution of ammonium nitrate in water is highly endothermic. This compound has very low shock and friction sensitivities.
Hello, so I'm going to explain about the production of ammonium nitrate. There are many methods to produce ammonium nitrate, and the one that I'm going to share today is the Prilling method. So here is the chemical equation and the structure of ammonium nitrate. So the first part of the Prilling method is the neutralization method. The neutralization method involves the presence of ammonia and nitric acid. So how do we obtain this ammonia and nitric acid? Ammonia can be obtained through Haber process, while nitric acid can be obtained when the ammonia undergoes catalytic oxidation. So these two substances, which is ammonia and nitric acid, will be combined and will be placed into a neutralization tower which has a pressure of 3 to 5 atm. So the second process is the evaporation process. This process is to increase the concentration of ammonium nitrate produced. So from the previous process, which is neutralization, only 83% of ammonium nitrate is produced. So this 83% of ammonium nitrate is then passed through a heater with a steam, and afterwards is passed through a vacuum evaporator. So these two chambers allowing the ammonium nitrate to increase its concentration to 95%. So the third process is the Prilling process. In this process, the concentrated ammonium nitrate is sprayed into the Prilling tower by using a spray nozzle. In the Prilling tower, these droplets of the ammonium nitrate is cooled by an ascending current of cooled air. So from this ascending current of cooled air, it allows the liquid droplets to break down into uniform size. So as these droplets or prills reach the bottom of the Prilling tower, it solidifies. So the final process is the drying process. So ammonium nitrate is quite difficult to be dried due to its solubility in nature. So yes, ammonium nitrate can explode if it's not handled correctly. So there are various methods to dry ammonium nitrate, and one of it is to cool the ammonium nitrate approximately 32 degrees Celsius. So after drying this ammonium nitrate, we have to coat this ammonium nitrate with limestone powder. This is in order to prevent it from exploding.
Next, before we continue the effectiveness of ammonium nitrate in fertilizers that will be presented by IZZAT MIRZA in the next slide, let me brief a little bit about the importance and danger of ammonium nitrate in medical and civil construction. Firstly, in medicine, ammonium nitrate is important in production of nitrous oxide or laughing gas for surgery and dentistry for its anesthetic and analgesic effects. And secondly, in industrial, ammonium nitrate is a mixed component of explosive used in mining, quarrying and civil construction. So basically, ammonium nitrate is not dangerous to handle and cannot ignite or explode spontaneously. But if ammonium nitrate is exposed to a source of high heat, fire and pressure, it becomes reactive and emits toxic fumes. Next, we will look at the risk of ammonium nitrate when it is not used properly. Ammonium nitrate can be affected when you inhale it directly, and it will result in chemical poisoning. In addition, it can also irritate the nose, throat, lungs, skin, and eyes, also causing headache, fatigue, convulsion, heart failure, and then death. Next, a large amount of ammonium nitrate exposed to a strong heat can trigger an explosion. Okay, now let's back to the main topic. Ammonium nitrate fertilizers are very efficient for quick source of nitrogen in plants, easy to use and produce less greenhouse gas emissions than other fertilizers. However, ammonium nitrate used to enhance crop development has created a secondary problem of excess nitrogen in the Earth's atmosphere. Synthetic ammonium nitrogen in the atmosphere cause the quality of water and soil ecosystems to be unbalanced. But by using alternative fertilizer and a strict control over the availability of this powerful chemical is the way to limit such misuse to gain the maximum benefits. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
What is a fertilizer? Fertilizers are organic or inorganic substances containing chemical elements that improve the growth of plants and the fertility of the soil. The percentage content of nutrients in organic fertilizers is relatively low. In inorganic or mineral fertilizers, the nutrients are inorganic salts obtained by extraction and/or physical and chemical processes. The three primary plant nutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Next is the composition of ammonium nitrate. It is composed of 35% nitrogen, 5% hydrogen, and 60% oxygen. So why is ammonium nitrate popular as a fertilizer? It is popular because it provides half of the nitrogen in the nitrate form and half in the ammonium form. The nitrate form moves readily with soil water to the roots, where it is immediately available for plant uptake. Next is the function of ammonium nitrate as a fertilizer. First, since plant roots do not directly absorb the urea form of nitrogen to a large extent, ammonium nitrate is an efficient and immediate source of plant nutrition, and the ammonium fraction is taken out if roots grow nearby or after it is converted to nitrate by soil microorganisms during nitrification. Secondly, the three most important of nutrients that are needed by plants are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So, many farmers prefer an immediately available nitrate source for plant nutrition and choose ammonium nitrate as their source of nitrogen fertilizer. It is popular for pasture and broadacre crops since almost no ammonia volatilization losses occur compared to urea-based fertilizers. And lastly, because of its high crop recovery, easy to use, and its suitability for in-season top dressing, ammonium nitrate is widely used, especially in many European countries. So after learning about ammonium nitrate as fertilizer, you may wonder how to use the ammonium nitrate. The fertilizer is an almost instantly usable form of nitrogen due to its porosity and solubility. It provides nitrogen from both ammonia and nitrate. The standard method of application is by broadcast spreading the granules. This will rapidly melt in water to allow the nitrogen to release into the soil. The rate of application is 157.5 to 315 ml of ammonium nitrate fertilizer per 1000 square feet of land. After broadcasting the compound, it should be tilled in or watered in very thoroughly. The nitrogen will move quickly through the soil to the roots of the plant for rapid uptake.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.